Want to know what it looks like to take part in a Crypto.com 50% off Bitcoin Syndicate sale? I'm going to be taking you through that full experience today from start to finish. So make sure you watch the video all the way to the end.
You can still enjoy this one. Use the bilateral.
Welcome back, guys, and thank you for joining me on another episode of Bitcoin Zombie Investor, the channel where we know no matter how many times Bitcoin gets sent to the grave, so to speak, it will always find a way to claw its way back to life. In today's video, I'm going to take you through a complete walkthrough of my experience with the 50% off Bitcoin Crypto.com Syndicate sale. It's the second Bitcoin 50% off Syndicate sale that I am taking part in, and it is to celebrate the 4-year anniversary of Crypto.com. For those of you who don't know me already or haven't followed my channel, then make sure that you do give me a like on the video. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel. It only does take a second and it really does mean a lot for the channel. And make sure you hit that little notification bell to be fully informed when new videos like this do drop out onto the channel. This morning's video will be broken down into 3 parts. The first part is where we'll literally go in and there's going to be a video shot of my computer where I show you exactly how it looks to subscribe to the Crypto.com Syndicate. There's no sign up or registration or anything like that. You do have to be signed up to the Crypto.com app, and you do also have to sign up to the Crypto.com Exchange. But once you've done that, you don't actually need to stake any CRO on the exchange to take part in the syndicate. However, the more CRO that you do stake, the more likelihood that you are going to get an amount of Bitcoin that you are happy with. So basically, the more CRO that you stake, the more potential Bitcoin or cryptocurrency for that particular syndicate that you will potentially receive. It is also worth noting that when you do lock up that CRO for the stake to accumulate more cryptocurrency in these awesome 50% off syndicate sales, you are having to lock down your CRO for a minimum of 6 months at a time. However, on the flip side, I know it's a long time to lock away some value or some crypto or just any asset for, but you do get 20% interest on that CRO and it's paid out daily into your account on its available balance section. So in my opinion, that's pretty awesome. I just want to quickly say as well, guys, that the syndicate can be a little bit annoying. You've got to stake CRO if you want to get a greater chance of getting cryptocurrency, and you know, it seems a little bit long in the beginning, but I can honestly say to you, it's basically free money. So if you are a Crypto.com Exchange/app user, it is something that you really should be doing, okay? It doesn't necessarily matter how much cryptocurrency you get in return. It's not a lot of time to just simply go on, as you'll see now, and subscribe and just wait around and just get up and check the computer and essentially get awesome discounts on cryptocurrency. So on that note, let's head to the exchange now. Okay, folks, we are on the Crypto.com Exchange website now. The Bitcoin Syndicate sale, the second one, where they are offering $2 million worth USD allocation of Bitcoin, has literally just begun less than 2 minutes ago. So as you can see here, this is the base page here, the Syndicate Anniversary Special, 50% off BTC. You can see it here. Let's get in and go amongst it. So you can see here, these are the old syndicates. We've got the current one here, which states ongoing. And then we've got the one which I did before with Engine, which is then completed, and then all the other ones through here. So let's just go into the syndicate section up the top here now and have a look at what's going on. Okay, that's all done. Actually, before we do that, I might actually just show you how much CRO I've got staked on the exchange, sorry. So let's have a look, see. So as you can see here, staked amount 59,086 CRO. All right, so that is the staked amount there. And based off that staked amount of CRO, we are now going to go to the syndicate, back to the page where we came, and we will hit the learn more button. down here. So guys, I just want to remind you, this is exactly how it looks. I'm taking you through the exact process of running through the subscribe now process. So we've got the amount of subscribers down the bottom. It's currently at 17%, so it's filling up quickly. Okay, so we're going to subscribe now. How much are they going to be offering us? 2,000. And available balance. Okay, so they're offering us 16,000 worth of CRO. I've got 19,000. I'll hit max. So as you can see here, guys, I've staked 59,000 here. They're offering me 16,000. Sorry, 100. No, yeah, 16. That's 16,000. Yeah, 16,000 CRO, which is 20,000. Sorry, 2,047 US dollars. Sorry, everyone. It's quite early in the morning. Now I'm going to hit the max amount here. Okay, I've accepted and read the terms and conditions. I'm going to review the subscription. Again, it says the coin, the amount, 16,000 CRO, the date here. That's the final allocation determination date. I'm going to confirm to subscribe. BTC sale subscribed, top right in the corner. And that's literally it, guys. So what basically happens from here, as you can see here, we had the announcement date, which was on the 1st of June 2020. This is when the subscription begins, which is right now, this morning. 24 hours from now, the subscription will end. And then the following day, which is going to be just making sure I get the dates right, the 2nd of July. So again, it's the 30th of June, and on the 2nd of July, we'll have our final amount of BTC, which they will allocate us. And then final allocations will be forfeited if not accepted. So basically in a couple days time, I'm going to touch back in with you guys, and I'm going to show you how much Bitcoin they actually offered me at 50% off. It probably won't be the whole amount of 2,000 US dollars, but if I can get somewhere at least around 50 to 60 US dollars, I think I'll be pretty happy. So just in case you didn't know, you can see the subscriber amount down here. If the event is in any case, which it almost 99.9, probably even 100%, I can honestly say 100% it will be oversubscribed. It basically will mean that the amount that I get back will not be equal to that 2,000 that they offered me just before in the subscription period. However, in any case, if it is undersubscribed, which it won't be, but if it was, hypothetically, then I could potentially get that entire amount of 2,000 US dollars worth of Bitcoin at 50% off, which would essentially mean that I would make 1,000 US dollars overnight in Bitcoin. That's it for today's video, guys, or this segment of the video. I will cut back in shortly with the second day.
What is good, folks? We are here 48 hours later. I have not moved from this spot since I was so excited from the amount that I got offered from the original subscription. It was a total amount of 2,000 US dollars worth of Bitcoin at 50% off, which is an awesome amount to be offered. So just to give you a little bit of a recap, we had the start of the syndicate sale 48 hours ago. Then from there, I instantly accepted the subscription amount of, as I mentioned before, 2,000 US dollars worth of Bitcoin at 50% off. For people who were a little bit unsure of whether they wanted to accept that subscription or not, they have a total of 24 hours to accept or decline the offer. If they don't do it within the 24-hour time period, their position in the syndicate is forfeit. Then from there, another 24 hours has to go past in order for the people at Crypto.com to work out the final allocations, which are about to be shown right now, literally in just the next few minutes. So stick around, make sure you continue watching the rest of the video. I'm going to be signing in literally within the next few minutes, and I'm going to make a little bit of a prediction before I do. So apparently, the syndicate has been oversubscribed 17 times over, okay? So that might seem like a lot, but in actual fact, it's less than the last BTC syndicate. And also another thing to keep in mind with this particular syndicate, which is celebrating the 4-year anniversary of Crypto.com, it is in celebration. Well, the celebration amount is $2 million worth of Bitcoin that they are giving out at 50% off to their customers and clients, whereas the last one was only 1 million. So Fingers crossed, don't want to get too excited. On the last BTC Syndicate, I was offered around about $30 worth of BTC at half price, so I actually profited $15 overnight. It doesn't sound like a lot, people, but what you've got to understand is it's more about the process and more about the habit and just taking advantage of these little opportunities when they do come up, because the money will come in bit by bit. You've just got to keep that consistent money mindset on all the time. And this time around, I'm going to estimate around $60 worth of Bitcoin at least, which will mean I'll get $30 on a sale. If I get that, I'll be content. If I get less, I'll be a little disappointed, but that's just all on me. Beggars can't be choosers, okay? And anything more than that, I'm gonna be absolutely stoked. So without further ado, let's check what we got.
Alrighty folks, so as you can see, we are in the exchange here. This is the final section of the syndicate details, and I'm checking the amount that I've been distributed. And if we just go down here and have a look, my final allocation is 0.02. So I think that's okay. So I'll hit I understand the terms and conditions. I get a refund of 15,000 CRO, and I will accept. And success. So let's now go to my balance, because I believe the price of CRO is probably going to be dropping. So I'm probably just going to trade that out for USDT. As you can see here, I'll open up the trade window. It might be a bit slow, but as you can see, the price is already dropping. And I'm going to sell 100% of that. That's my CRO there, just making sure that's all correct. Sell CRO. Order successfully done. Okay, then I'll check my balances again. As you can see, oh, what's going on here? Oh, in order. Okay, so I'm just trying to sell my CRO here, and then I've got my Bitcoin there. All right, so as you can see here, pretty good result from this one. $184 worth of Bitcoin this morning from the most recent syndicate. So that is the best result that we've had so far. So pretty happy with that. So that would mean that I got a total of around $90 worth of Bitcoin for free. 184 divided by 2 is roughly $92.05, which is quite good. Brilliant, folks. Thanks for joining me on that little journey, and I will touch back in with you on the next syndicate. Make sure that you do like the video if you have not already. Subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the notification bell to make sure you know when new videos do come out. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day. How much Bitcoin did you get this morning?